Hi everyone, just now 5 money package has arrived in my address. It's a very beautiful package. For domestic transaction, I have applied for it. Issued by, it's written here, issued by Federal Bank. 5 money. It's a very, it's a very nice, great package. Now I'm gonna unbox it. It's a very beautiful package. Here it is written as tempered. In case of tempered, seal. Contact us, so it's not tempered, so that's why I'm gonna remove it. Let's see. Wow, it's very beautiful. Let's see, I'm gonna check it. Yes, it's very, though it's all free, but they have sent us a very good package. Wow, I'm impressed. Hats off to Indian startup. Wow, it's very beautiful. Look at it shining.